Honda's story begins in post-war Japan, a nation rebuilding from devastation yet brimming with determination and resilience. Soichiro Honda, a young engineer with a passion for mechanics and innovation, founded the Honda Technical Research Institute in 1946. His initial focus was modest but visionary, designing and producing small, reliable engines that could help Japanese citizens navigate a recovering economy. The early years were marked by resourcefulness, materials were scarce, and the infrastructure for vehicle manufacturing was almost non-existent. Yet Soichiro's ingenuity shone through. He developed compact, affordable engines, initially sold as add-ons for bicycles. These engines were lightweight, efficient, and simple to maintain, a perfect solution for a population seeking mobility at low cost. By 1949, Honda had introduced its first complete motorbike, the Dream D-Type. The motorcycle was more than a product. It was a symbol of Japan's ingenuity and the company's relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. This period established Honda's philosophy: innovation, quality, and performance should never be compromised, even in the face of scarcity. The Dream D-Type laid the foundation for what would become one of the most respected automotive and motorcycle brands in the world. During the 1950s, Honda rapidly expanded its motorcycle lineup, introducing models that combined reliability, efficiency, and performance. The Super Cub, launched in 1958, became a cultural icon renowned for its ease of use, durability, and universal appeal. Its lightweight design, fuel efficiency, and simple mechanics made it accessible to riders of all ages and skill levels. Honda's motorcycles began attracting international attention in the 1960s. Competitions in Europe and the United States showcased the performance and reliability of Honda bikes, earning acclaim in markets that had long been dominated by European and American manufacturers. The company's commitment to quality and engineering innovation was evident. Engines were refined for power and longevity, frames were tested extensively, and every model underwent rigorous reliability trials. This era also highlighted Soichiro Honda's unique vision. He believed that motorcycles could be more than utilitarian machines. They could inspire passion, freedom, and connection. Honda's expansion into international markets, beginning with motorcycles exported to the United States in the early 1960s, marked the company's first major step toward global recognition, setting the stage for entry into the automobile industry. Honda's success with motorcycles laid the foundation for a bold new venture: cars. In 1963, Honda established the Honda Motor Company, pivoting from motorcycles to automobiles while applying lessons learned from two-wheel engineering. The company's first production car, the T360 mini-truck, launched in 1963, followed shortly by the S500 sports car. These vehicles combined innovative engineering, compact design, and affordability, reflecting Honda's vision of mobility for all. The T360 mini-truck was revolutionary for its time. Lightweight, efficient, and practical, it provided small businesses and rural families with reliable transportation. Meanwhile, the S500 showcased Honda's engineering sophistication, a small, sporty convertible with advanced overhead cam engine technology, highlighting performance without compromising practicality. Honda's entry into the automobile market was not without challenges. Competition from established Japanese automakers like Toyota and Nissan was fierce, and consumer trust had to be earned. Yet Honda's reputation for mechanical reliability, innovative engine design, and performance-oriented vehicles allowed it to carve out a niche. By 1970, Honda had firmly established itself as a manufacturer capable of producing both motorcycles and automobiles, blending affordability, quality, and engineering excellence. The 1970s marked a transformative period for Honda. The introduction of the Civic in 1972 and the Accord in 1976 cemented the company's reputation for reliability, efficiency, and global appeal. These vehicles addressed a growing international demand for compact, fuel-efficient cars, particularly in response to the 1973 oil crisis, when consumers sought alternatives to fuel-thirsty American sedans. The Civic became a symbol of practicality and ingenuity. Its compact dimensions, efficient engines, and innovative design made it ideal for urban environments worldwide. Honda emphasized quality control and precision engineering, ensuring that even early models offered exceptional longevity. Meanwhile, the Accord targeted mid-size markets, offering refinement, performance, and comfort. Its appeal extended beyond Japan, gaining traction in the United States and Europe, where it became a benchmark for dependable family cars. Honda's success during this era reflected its ability to combine innovation, engineering excellence, and consumer insight. By 1985, the company had firmly established a global presence, with manufacturing plants abroad and a reputation for producing vehicles that balanced efficiency, performance, and reliability. Honda was no longer just a Japanese brand. It had become a global symbol of innovation and mobility, poised to enter the high-tech automotive era. The mid-1980s marked a turning point for Honda as the company sought to combine performance with reliability on a global scale. Central to this ambition was the introduction of the VTEC, Variable Valve Timing and Lift Electronic Control engine in 1989. This groundbreaking technology allowed Honda engines to optimize efficiency at low RPMs while unlocking high-performance power at higher revs, bridging the gap between economy and exhilaration. VTEC became the heart of Honda's engineering identity. It symbolized a company unafraid to innovate, to challenge conventional automotive wisdom, and to provide drivers with engaging experiences. This era also saw the rise of models like the Prelude and CRX, which embodied sporty, compact engineering with exceptional handling and fuel efficiency. The Prelude's advanced suspension systems and the CRX's lightweight architecture reflected Honda's dedication to dynamic performance and driving enjoyment, creating vehicles that appealed to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. This period also solidified Honda's reputation internationally. The combination of cutting-edge technology, reliability, and fun-to-drive characteristics allowed Honda to compete not only in Japan but across North America and Europe. Automotive publications praised the innovation, and consumers began associating Honda with a unique blend of intelligence, engineering prowess, and spirited performance. By 1990, VTEC was more than a technology. It was a philosophy, signaling Honda's commitment to pushing boundaries while maintaining the reliability that had become its hallmark. In 1990, Honda unveiled a vehicle that would forever change its global perception, the NSX. Developed in collaboration with Ayrton Senna and top engineers, the NSX was a mid-engine supercar designed to rival Ferrari and Porsche. Unlike typical exotic cars, the NSX combined blistering performance with reliability and daily usability, reflecting Honda's unique philosophy of practical supercar. The NSX introduced revolutionary technologies, including an all-aluminum monocoque chassis, advanced aerodynamics, and a high-revving V6 engine equipped with VTEC. Its handling and balance were unmatched for the era, offering precision, agility, and confidence to both professional and everyday drivers. The car's understated aesthetics, influenced by Japanese design sensibilities, challenged the flamboyance often associated with European supercars. Beyond its technical brilliance, the NSX represented Honda's audacity and global vision. It demonstrated that a Japanese company could compete at the highest echelons of automotive engineering, reshaping perceptions and setting new standards for reliability in performance cars. The NSX earned critical acclaim worldwide and inspired a generation of Honda enthusiasts, solidifying the brand as not only an innovator in compact and mainstream vehicles, but also a serious contender in high-performance engineering. As the 1990s progressed, Honda solidified its status as a global automotive powerhouse. The success of models like the Civic, Accord, CR-V, and Prelude in international markets demonstrated the brand's ability to balance reliability, innovation, and desirability. The launch of the CR-V in 1995 heralded Honda's entry into the growing SUV segment, combining versatility with efficient, dependable engineering, a formula that resonated worldwide. During this period, Honda also deepened its commitment to motorsports and performance culture. Participation in Formula One, touring car championships, and rally competitions provided not only technological development, but also enhanced brand recognition. Lessons learned on the track influenced production vehicles, emphasizing efficiency, handling, and driver engagement. Honda's global production network expanded, with facilities in North America, Europe, and Asia, allowing the company to adapt vehicles to local markets while maintaining consistent quality standards. Culturally, Honda became synonymous with reliability, engineering excellence, and fun-to-drive vehicles. The combination of mainstream success, high-performance credibility, and international expansion positioned Honda as a brand respected for both innovation and practicality. By 2005, Honda had firmly established itself as a global automotive leader, capable of inspiring loyalty, producing groundbreaking technology, and competing across diverse segments, from compact urban cars to supercars and SUVs, setting the stage for its next era of environmental innovation and hybrid mobility. By the mid-2000s, Honda recognized that the future of mobility demanded environmental responsibility without sacrificing performance or reliability. The Honda Insight, originally launched in 1999 as a two-seater hybrid, received a new generation in 2009 designed for mainstream appeal. It combined a gasoline engine with electric motor assistance, delivering impressive fuel economy while retaining the driving experience Honda was known for. The Insight embodied Honda's philosophy of eco-friendliness meets engineering excellence. The hybrid system utilized Honda's integrated motor assist IMA technology, enhancing efficiency while ensuring smooth power delivery. Engineers focused on aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and intelligent energy management, creating a vehicle that could compete with other early hybrids while remaining distinctly Honda in feel and reliability. Globally, the Insight expanded Honda's green credentials. With growing awareness of environmental issues and rising fuel costs, the vehicle helped position Honda as a pioneer in sustainable mobility. It also paved the way for the integration of hybrid and electric technologies into Honda's broader lineup, including the Civic Hybrid and later the CR-Z, establishing the company as an innovator in both mainstream and performance-oriented green vehicles. Honda's commitment to performance continued into the 2010s, culminating in the Civic Type R and the second-generation NSX. The Civic Type R, introduced in 2015, transformed a compact car into a track-ready powerhouse. With turbocharged engines, precision suspension tuning, and aerodynamic enhancements, the Type R exemplified Honda's philosophy of practical performance, blending everyday usability with racing-inspired engineering. Meanwhile, the second-generation NSX, launched in 2016, combined hybrid technology with supercar performance. Featuring a twin-turbo V6 paired with 3 electric motors, the NSX delivered seamless power, instant torque, and remarkable handling dynamics. Honda's focus was not merely speed. It was the creation of a supercar that balanced efficiency, reliability, and driver engagement. This approach reinforced Honda's identity as an innovator capable of producing both mass-market vehicles and world-class performance machines. Globally, these models strengthened Honda's brand in enthusiast and luxury segments, demonstrating that the company could integrate cutting-edge technology while retaining its reputation for reliability. Civic Type R and NSX served as statements of engineering prowess, signaling to the world that Honda remained a brand that could inspire passion, push technological boundaries, and maintain a legacy of excellence across diverse automotive segments. As the 2020s unfold, Honda's vision for the future integrates electrification, autonomous technology, and global mobility solutions. Models such as the Honda E, an urban electric vehicle, and hybrid versions of the CR-V and Accord demonstrate Honda's commitment to zero-emission mobility. Beyond personal vehicles, Honda is investing in robotics, AI-assisted systems, and mobility-as-a-service initiatives, exploring how technology can enhance urban transportation. Autonomous driving research and AI-powered safety systems reflect Honda's dedication to creating a safer, more efficient driving experience. Collision avoidance, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist are now standard across much of Honda's lineup, while ongoing development promises fully autonomous capabilities in the near future. The integration of connectivity, energy management, and vehicle-to-infrastructure systems points toward a future where Honda vehicles operate harmoniously within smart cities and sustainable ecosystems. Globally, Honda continues to combine reliability, innovation, and sustainability. Its vision emphasizes environmental responsibility, technological leadership, and the human experience of mobility. From humble beginnings with small motorcycles to hybrid supercars and cutting-edge electric vehicles, Honda's journey reflects decades of innovation, perseverance, and ambition. The brand's legacy and forward-looking philosophy ensure that it remains a symbol of engineering excellence and a pioneer in shaping the future of transportation worldwide.